Hello world, Lieber here presenting my final project, which I call Jo Pro Bono. This project is designed to help attorneys and law students find pro bono opportunities in New York City, determine whether they can get CLE credit, and with some other filters. So I'll just show you quickly how it works. You can choose for lawyers, you can choose some areas of law. You can also filter by whether you get whether there's mentoring, credits for training, malpractice is provided, and we'll just do this, and the user will be taken to a data table like this. Quickly show you that this is all mobile responsive and actually pretty easy to look at for a data table. Just to go home real quick, also have the opportunity to search through all the entries with the paginated data table here. Each of these is actually a link to an organization page. And you can also search all the entries by keywords, the description and title, and you'll come up with something like this. So that's actually pretty much the gist of it. This is actually pretty helpful for someone who would want something like this. So beyond that, I want to show you, how I came to get this data and what the real source of the project was. So pick up where I left off. I have to go to scrape history for this. So currently I have a Redis server running as my worker, as broker, and I have a Celery server running as well. And I'm going to show you how I got this data from Pro Bono by doing an asynchronous scrape, and later I'll show you how I do it. So I've got my Celery server up, Redis server up, and now I'm going to run a scrape, and we're just going to watch this in action. Wrong server. And it's going to the next page. So this particular function task is grabbing each of the links and the short descriptions and saving them to be used for the next task, which is this task, which is going to take each link, go to each page, and scrape a particular set of data. I'll show you here. And that's the scrape. Show you how I do the schedule tasks with Celery Beat. I already got things set up here. So I'm just going to run the command, and Celery server should pick this up, and here it goes. And I'm running the scrape for task. And I'm getting a different set of data this time than I got the last time. And that's it for this particular task. We've got a few more coming. And I think that you should get the picture at this point. I don't want to waste too much time, and we've succeeded. Here, what you've seen so far is you've seen the asynchronous scrape, and here I just ran the beat scheduler, and you could see that I ran it 3 times because I have the scheduled task going once every 10 seconds. So just for the purposes of this demonstration, but I could set it to once a week, and it would scrape the website once a week. So that was the scraper. As you can see here, I'm keeping a record of each scrape as they come, and it will tell me if when there's a fail or not. I've had some failures before. I also want to show you that I was using Flower during this time, and you can use this application to check your successes and track them. I've also been sending myself an email when I fail, so I'll get an email from Singard if I fail. I'll just quickly show you the data and what it looks like here. I actually grabbed quite a bit of data, pretty much every piece of data that is on the site. Only for the purposes of demonstration, I mess with the code just to make things go quicker. So that's the site. I hope that you enjoyed it. I very much enjoyed the class. Thank you very much. Goodbye.